Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a project and importing the clip you want to slow. First, tap New Project and choose the correct aspect ratio and resolution. That ensures frame geometry stays consistent. Once done, import the video using the plus button and check its frame rate and codec because Motion Ninja applies time effects differently depending on source frames. Enable frame blending for smoother results when your clip has a low frame rate. This reduces choppy frames before you apply speed changes. You now alter playback speed. Tap the clip and choose speed or time remapping. This controls how Motion Ninja stretches frames. For predictable results, pick a target percentage. 50% have speed, 25% gives pronounced slow motion, and 10% is dramatic. Use the speed curve editor to ease in and out so motion looks natural, and make sure to enable optical flow or interpolation options when offered. These create intermediate frames and prevent stutter by estimating motion between. Finish by refining and exporting. You should preview the slowed clip at full resolution, adjust easing curves, and add subtle motion blur to hide micro jitter. When satisfied, export using a high bitrate and choose the original frame rate or slightly higher if you used interpolation. That preserves smoothness and quality. If playback still stutters, troubleshoot by re-importing a higher FPS source, toggling optical flow, or increasing frame blending. These steps typically resolve common artifacts and make the slow motion appear professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.